new world, n'est-ce pas? You will join them then, eh? Au revoir.
He comes from somewhere, a world way out there. And he hasn't been back since. He finds friendly faces in such strange places. And that's the tale of the little prince.
Grab on to a streaking comet and join the intergalactic adventures of the Little Prince. First stop, the planet B612, somewhere in space. Visit the tiny planet the Little Prince calls home. And witness the wonder of the little Rose Girl. The Little Prince learns to catch flaming comets, and they take him all over the universe. But the small alien makes an unexpected landing on Earth, right in the middle of the Sahara Desert, where he and a friend are caught in a treacherous sandstorm. So hang on tight and join the high-flying adventures of the Little Prince. Ever wonder what it's like to fly just like a rocket? Well, meet the Little Prince.
I catch flaming comets and fly all over space. The wild geese pull me up into the sky so I can catch the comets when they streak by. Then I go to wonderful places all over the universe.
In his new planet-hopping adventure, Next Stop Planet Earth, those flaming comets take the Little Prince to his favorite planet of all. First, the Little Prince finds himself in the breathtaking Andes Mountains of South America. He helps a proud man fulfill a dream to fly higher than eagles fly. Then it's off to London, where our hero explores this exciting new city and meets another interesting friend.
Good morning, sir. I'm the Little Prince.
A prince, eh? Well, I'm Harvey, king of the chimney sweeps.
The Little Prince stages an unusual reunion between Harvey and his beautiful ballerina daughter. And with wonderful stories to tell, the Little Prince heads back to the tiny planet he calls home. The Little Prince, Next Stop Planet Earth, Volume 2 in a series of home video collectibles. At $39.95, it's an adventure you can't afford to miss. Only on Children's Video Library.